Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to turn on expert mode on Pancakeswap. For that, you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to scroll down and then tap on Pancakeswap and then you will be landed on the official website of pancakeswap.finance. Now over here in the swap section, you will have to tap on this gear icon and here you are going to see the option of expert mode. So you need to turn on the toggle button on right next to the expert mode and then it will show you this type of pop-up. Now over here you need to again tap on turn on expert mode and then you will have to press the allow button. Once done, it will ask you to enter confirm in this section. So you will have to type confirm in this section and then you need to press OK. And this way you will be able to turn on expert mode on Pancakeswap. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.